welcome to yet another short video. Today we are going to be talking about how Excel stores its files. So Excel stores its files as what they call a workbook. And let's say you open um, a new file. You can either go to Excel, type in Excel, open a new file, and it's a prompt to come out. You say blank workbook. You can even see it's a blank workbook. You can click on it and you type certain information, and I'm done typing certain information. And let's just say um, this table here, I just decided to press paste. I decided to do a small table, and I now want to save this particular file, this particular work I've done. You go to your file, save, go to navigate to where you want to save, and you write the name. Let's say table, or let's say my table, for instance. And if you see save as, type Excel workbook. Now Excel has a lot of files you can actually save it as, but the default for Excel is Excel workbook. You click and save. Now that's how Excel file is. So Excel stores its files as workbook. Now in each inside the Excel, each if you come down to the lower part of the Excel, you see sheets, right? Anytime you want to add new sheet, you click on new sheet. Now what these sheets are, they are called spreadsheets. That's what they are called. And basically, if you click on a new sheet, you can rename them. You can either right click and you see rename, you can delete them, you can move, you can copy, you can protect, and you can change the color of how you want the sheet to look like. And let's say I want to rename this, you can either double click on it or you right click and go to rename. Anyone is fine. Let's say spreadsheet, or let's say my table, and you press enter, or you double click and you see my sheets and you press enter. So if I want to color it, all I need to do is to right click, go to tab color, just color it, click on the next table, just color it if you want. You can change the color. You can hide a table. Let's say I want to hide this my sheet, you can right click on it, hide. And if you want to bring it back, you can right click on any of the sheets, and unhide, and it will unhide. It will bring out the prompt, which of the sheets do you want to unhide. You click on what you want to unhide and press OK. And let's say if you can move, there's a shortcut for moving up and down. All you need to do is just to press your between sheets. All you need to do is to press your control and page up or page down. Yeah, you can do that. So you can also protect your sheets. Maybe you don't want anybody to touch this a particular sheet. All I need to do is to click on protect, and it will tell you, okay, what exactly are you protecting? Are you protecting? Bring out a prompt. What exactly are you protecting? And you will type, after you are done clicking what you want to protect, and you just type any password. But I'm not going to type a password because um this is my own. I'm not going to share this with anybody. You can type your password and press OK, and it will just protect it. Now anybody that any other person that do not have access to your password will not be able to play with your file, or your spreadsheet. um I think basically that is it. So you can move, you can copy. I can move this particular sheet, or you can copy. So you can move or create a copy. I click on create a copy, and it creates another copy, and you can rename copy. I think that's it for workbook and spreadsheet. I'm going to see you in another short video.